Hello, everyone, and welcome to DotcomPal video hosting platform demo. I'm Kareem with Team DotcomPal, your all-in-one solution to build, grow, sell, and manage in one place. I have with me my amazing co-host, Abanati Suarez. Abanati, how you doing today?
Hey, I'm doing great. And you, Kareem, how is everything doing?
Pretty good, pretty good. Definitely, it's been a while, and I want to first give a shout out to Chirag, and I want to give a shout out to definitely Manish. Happy birthday! You've been doing amazing videos. I've been watching them. Really, really love them. Awesome stuff. I do apologize from Monday. I was out due to a medical thing, but I am back, guys, to give you some more awesome content about the best platform on the internet. So I have a question for you, Abanati. We're doing video right now, so do you think there's still a need for video marketing if someone shows you a
Oh,
video?
yeah, and of course, I there is something that I'm sure you can see. Video is everywhere. Like you can look for the web and you can search online, and there is a lot of video marketing statistics and also facts that video is needed a lot, and not only for having fun, not only for watching movies, or only for just saying hi to a friend, or only for video calls. It's also used a lot for marketing.
Yes.
It increases a lot the marketing, like extremely well. It does extremely well, and we still need it. And that's why technology is always investing even more into video, because we know we have different sizes of video. I remember when there was only 460, 6040, or 128, or 1080. Now you can see 2, 4, 7, 20K and all that stuff. So technology is investing a lot into video, and that's because it's needed. It's needed more now than ever.
Yeah. And definitely, I remember I started, I actually had a small phone, half this size, and I was recording in 480p or something. Then I moved up to 720. I'm like, whoa, this is amazing. And then I get up to 1080p. It was really good. Then 4K, then 8K. After a while, I couldn't
Yeah.
tell the difference. And I say, if you're going to go that high, get a good camera so you can get 8K and 4K in your bank account, which you can do through this awesome platform. But you might be asking, why the heck are companies using video marketing? So if it's okay, let me share my screen and let's talk about it. Can you see my screen okay?
One sec.
Oh, give me 1 second. I need to share it. Okay.
Yeah, now I can see it.
All right. So you might be asking, is video content being used by other companies? You might say, Kareem, I know you're saying to do it. I know you're talking about it. You're a video marketer, though. So let's talk about other video marketing companies and just get a little bit of statistics. This is at lemonlight.com/blog video marketing stats you need to know for 2021. And it looks like this as a pretty cool thing. It's a pretty good blog, has a lot of good information here about video marketing that you can read. So is video content being used by other companies? Let's just get some quick stats. 61% of marketers plan to increase their video spending in 2021, the current year when we are recording this live. 70% of businesses say they're creating more videos now compared to the last time this year. So that's Animoto. And if you're not familiar, Animoto is a builder similar to Bidable. You can build really cool videos there as well. Explainer videos. 96% of marketers have placed ad spend on video. So you might see a lot of people running Facebook ads, running Google ads, Bing ads, solo ads, other types of ads. There's even LinkedIn and Pinterest now. A lot of people are putting a lot of their videos up and then putting some ad spend so they can get people to click on them. It's very rare you see people just doing Facebook ads with text. I haven't seen one in a while. Have you, Abby?
The what?
Have you seen an ad just with text? Almost all ads are video.
Oh no. Yeah. Right now, I People are using a lot video because it's getting cheaper. Like video ads are cheaper in the ad spend, and also they get more conversions because people see they actually see something, and that's something that makes them to act. Also, it is very interesting about that fact, that statistic about 93% of marketers have placed ad spend on video. You know why? It is because when you use free hosting video platforms like YouTube or Facebook, when you upload a video there, a lot of ads are there. Like if you only use it for free video, you upload your video, and then if someone is watching your video, then they will start seeing ads. But if you pay for it, no one will see ads unless you put it. So that's why almost 100% of people use paid ads, because they want to show their own ads, and they don't want others to see other people ads. So that's why you have to pay in order to get your video without ads, or the ads that you want to put in there.
Yeah, and we got something exciting, speaking of video ads, coming up with DotcomPal. But just to get through a couple more of these statistics, the big one, 92% of video marketers consider video an important part of their marketing strategy. 92%. So if you're marketing and you're doing video marketing like I am, that is pretty much the crucial part of the strategy. You can't go without it. Even if you say I'm scared of the camera and all that stuff, this is the way the internet and trends are going. And 84% of marketers rank video creation skills important when hiring for new marketing position. If you've seen our freelancer workshop, but you're saying, Kareem, what can I do as a freelancer? I'm new. Maybe I just, because of this whole situation I'm trying to find is a graphic design. What am I good at? What can I learn? Video is the thing. It's a big and upcoming trend, and I don't see it going away anytime soon. And 17% of their companies use live video, what we're doing right now, for social media marketing. We're live on Facebook, YouTube. I want to say hi to everybody. Let me ask you this. When you see a live video on social media, even if it's something you're not particularly interested in, do you click on that video and watch? Let me know in the chat box. I would love to know what you think. I personally do. And the last one, really important, video is the number one form of media and content strategy. It overtakes blogs and infographics. And here's another question for you, those in the chat watching YouTube, Facebook, on the groups. Would you rather read a blog, look at infographics, or would you rather watch a video? There's a lot of different opinions. I still have people who like to read blogs. So let me know in the chat. Definitely drop your opinion. I want to hear it.
Hey, you know what? I saw an ad. It's something new I saw recently. It says, watch books. And there is a well-known marketer. He says that a lot of CEOs and business people read a lot of books. But now he got the idea to launch a new service called Watch Books. And what he does is interview people who wrote really important books and just put them in a video. So now people can watch books instead of read books. So that's how videos get a lot of more power, even over books, because people like to watch stuff. But also, it is important to consider that videos can have a negative impact if you don't use them right.
Yes.
So that, we can say, video is the greatest thing ever, and you can do a lot of things with videos. A lot of people can buy from you with videos, but still, it can harm your conversions if you don't do them right.
Yeah, and that's the next point I was going to get. So we talked about video. We showed you all the statistics. They're saying, okay, Kareem, okay, Avi, I understand video is good, but I put up some videos and maybe my conversions went down. It hurt my bounce rate. And let me know in the chat, people on Facebook, people on YouTube, have you ever put up a video and with all these statistics, it didn't work out for you, or something happened, or maybe it just didn't convert as well as you thought, and you thought, well, I'm doing video, what's the issue, right? Why is that a problem? So yes, videos are great. They can hurt you though. They can negatively impact conversions. There are 4 things I want you to keep in mind when you're taking a look at videos, especially for marketing. more so anything else, but especially for marketing. The big four, what are the big four? Brand. You want to have something branded. You know, when you see McDonald's, when you see Apple, when you see Tesla now, when you see whatever it is that you like, maybe GameStop, throw the recent thing in, you think of a brand. You think of a brand. A brand pops in your name. That's in your head. And you think, okay, this is something from this company. I recognize this. I'm invested in this MacBook, in this Big Mac, in this hamburger, in this whatever it is, in this product or service. Then there's speed. If the video takes tons and tons of time to load, you're going to leave, just like a website. And I think that one should be fairly clear. Then there's quality, and then you want to make sure that, as I said, I was recording in 480p, but times change. People want now at least 1080p. As a video marketer, I get a lot of people saying, I need at least 1080p, Kareem. Don't send me 720. 1080p in the future will be 4K, it'll be 8K, it'll be 12K. That's all stuff we want in bank accounts as well. But the cool thing is, most phones, if you have a phone, let me know in the chat. Most phones go up to at least 720, most 1080p. So it should be good. It should be good. Most webcams do. Just to give you an idea, if you record with something like a C922 Logitech, you're hitting 1080p. That's what I am recording with right now. I also record with a Nikon, 220, and that gives me good quality, 1080p, 4K, and my phone does Ultra HD.
That's what I do too. I all the videos I create, I have to do it in 1080 all the time, and I have to do that like that because it's HD. It has to be HD, and that's why like cell phones, they always have bigger space, because hard space, because the bigger or the better the definition of the video, the bigger the file size. So it has to be a bigger storage. So that's why new phones are coming. New phones are coming because HD is always wanted to be like someone be there in front of the computer. I've seen the difference in movies. I've seen the difference, and it's great. It has a big impact.
It does. And the last one, you get all of these right, though. Here's the big thing. You can get brand, quality, and speed. It can be fast loading, can look beautiful. But what's important? What are you guys here for today? Content. You want content out of this video. You want Kareem Abinati to explain stuff about DotcomPal and marketing in general, so you can take that and apply it to your own business, your own online adventure, your online freelancing, whatever it is that you're doing. Remember the whole saying, have you heard this, Abinati in the chat, guys? Content is king. Because if you don't have interesting and good content, people will leave. People will say, okay, fine, this looks nice, but it's like having a nice looking car that doesn't run.
Yeah.
That's how I equate it to. I've seen a lot of nice YouTube videos. They do the green screen and that, but I just can't get into their content. There's a lot of good videos out there, but you have to have good content. You want quality content. You don't want to beat around the bush a lot. So can I share an example of this? I'm going to go ahead and share my screen just to give you
also, I wanted to share that in those four things, they have to be, it is important to have them, all of them, like to list all of them together, because even you can have great content, really, really good content, but if you don't have a high definition video, people maybe they say, well, they won't notice, because they won't see the content, because they will just leave the video because they don't like the quality. So if it's a bad quality video, they won't see how good you are with the content. So, and also if it's a video which is really, really heavy and it loads slow, so you have spent $1,000 creating the greatest video ever, but then if you upload it to a slow server, and people won't see it, people won't watch it. So you spend so much money in an expensive video, and they won't watch it because it doesn't load, because it's too heavy to load. And also about the branding, I wanted to mention too that the thing with branding is people can get distracted with the ads. If you just, for example, if you put a YouTube video in a sales page, or that would make people to get distracted, because we want the people to see all the content inside the page. So that's why people use sales videos without any other distraction, unless you have control on that, on the ads that are placed in the video. So the branding is important also, in the sense that you don't want other ads or other companies or products or services to be in your video unless you put it yourself. That's also the importance of branding.
Yes, yes. So guys, let me know in the chat on YouTube and Facebook, out of the 4 things we mentioned: branding, quality, speed, content, is there one that's a challenge to you, or which one's the biggest challenge to you? I'd love to hear your feedback, and then maybe even see, as a video marketer myself, how I could assist you in getting one of those better. So you might be saying, give me an example, because I can talk about it.
How would you feel if I told you that you could build a profitable...
So check that video out. I'm not going to play the whole thing. You can find this at zilliot.com/special. But let's take a look at the 4 things I mentioned. This video is branded, has a specific player, and we'll get into that when I do the demonstration. But the nice thing about something being branded is it grabs your attention. When you see McDonald's, when you see Mac, when you see Nike, when you see a brand that you like, you go, oh, it grabs your attention. Tesla, oh man, cool, the new electric car, what are they going to do with it? It has an attention grabbing effect. If it's something you don't really know, you might be privy to get off of it, or you might not pay as much attention. But brands grab attention. They command attention, and they command recognition in a specific way that I just talked about, and you can kind of see that yourself. A good example you can think of is different YouTube videos. If you go on YouTube and you look at different YouTube videos on different conversion pages, and you go through on, like, we can create different opt-in pages here, we can do sales pages, things like that. YouTube videos are good for generating traffic, but they're actually not great at converting people. Why? Because people will go, oh, okay, this video is interesting, but just putting a YouTube video on a landing page doesn't necessarily mean, since if it's unbranded, doesn't necessarily mean it's going to convert well. And I can ask Aubrey, have you been on a landing page, you've seen a YouTube video, maybe it was a nice looking YouTube video, but you just didn't buy the product?
There is something that I normally do when I see a sales page or a landing page and there is a YouTube video. I like to look for the logo to see the YouTube channel.
Yes.
And when I go to the YouTube channel, I lost the sales page. I just wanted to see who is there, the subscribers, or maybe more content. So that guy is advertising his YouTube channel with that sales page. And I lost attention to the sales page because I wanted to see some other stuff inside the YouTube channel. So that's why some people do, they try to put some special code in there. So when you post the YouTube video, then the logo, the YouTube logo is hidden. So no one can click on the logo. And also when you finish a video, watching the video, then there are other related videos there that people can just click and go off the sales page. So if you want to sell something in the page, you can't give them the chance to go off the page. If you give them the chance to go off the page on the video, they will go off the page. They will go somewhere else, and they just get lost on YouTube, and they just start watching other videos, and they are gone from the sales page.
Yeah, I can't say that's ever happened to me. That's never happened. Bad joke. So we talked about branding, and yeah, that can definitely happen, because think about that. If I gave you good advice or something in YouTube, you go, oh, that's cool, and you can click on the link as well and start watching my YouTube videos, but you'll forget about what I was trying to sell. So yeah, that's something that is something.
Oh, I do it.
Because I've done it too as well myself. So let's notice one thing. If I can refresh the page here real quick, if that's cool with everybody. how, and I'm not going to click the audio, but how fast did that load? I hit F5, reloaded, boom, fast loading videos. This video is moving fast. And you can actually see that the nice thing about this is it's loading fast. That was the speed part we talked about. If it's taking, you're seeing the circle buffering, you'll just click off of it, unfortunately. That's the way things are now. People want results like that. Is my video loading? No, it didn't. Sorry. Even if you run ads, you could be wasting a lot of money. This loaded in less than a second.
How would you feel if I told you that you could?
Boom. That's how it loaded just that fast. So the nice thing about that is when you have speed on your side, people will get engaged. You have branding and speed, people will get their attention. That video kind of demands attention because I load it up, boom, I see the branding, I get excited, it comes in fast, he asks a question, maybe it's something I need help with, so I'm going to get into it. And here's another thing, it's high definition. If it was low definition, I'd just be, And Abby, since we're talking about this, have you ever been on a page? Maybe it's not a YouTube video, maybe it is, and they were trying to sell something, but the video was just not. Is, let's say it's 720 or 480. Not saying
Yeah, it looks old. It looks old, and they do that because they want to make it load faster. So they compromise quality with speed. Both have to be there. So that's why, because people like if they use slow video hosting sites, so they have to upload slow videos. Small videos. So they have to upload videos that look old and look low quality because they want it to load fast. And that's something that people also may not enjoy to their eyes because they are used to see HD stuff in their cell phone, HD stuff in their computer. So they see HD everywhere. And if they see a low quality video, they won't like it. They won't enjoy it.
Yeah, that'd be like me saying I'm a big marketer, unfortunately, and saying like, "Here's my car," and it's a horse and buggy. They're like, "Nah, I don't think I want to buy your product. I want the dude with the Ferrari." I'm kidding in that sense, but you can get the idea that to stay up with the times, I understand that some people might say, "Is that going to matter?" But yes, the look, the aesthetic of having a decent looking video matters. But here's the next thing. Here's what I really love about this. It has really good content as well. He explains to me what he wants to do.
Per sale,
He has content, boom, make up to $4.99 in a sale in recurring commissions. So that is really, really good. So in my opinion, the 4 elements that we talked about, you have to have. You can't just have one. If you have one, it's not going to matter much. You have to have all of them. If you have a slow loading video, they won't see it. If you don't have a good brand, you can't pull them in. If you don't have good speed, they're not going to really be engaged. And if you don't have, in my opinion, good content, they're not going to convert. So when you're looking for video hosting, here's what I look for. And I'm going to give you these elements. You can tell me in the chat, in Facebook, in YouTube, how would you like to have that all in one place? So with video hosting, what do we want? As we said, thinking of those 4 things we said: brand, content, quality, speed. You want fast delivery of videos. You want some place where you can host videos and there's no load time. Just like this dude, boom, I hit F5, he's ready to go. He's ready to sell, and he's ready to help me make awesome sales and recurring commissions. That's what I want. I'm a busy dude. Every one of you guys here is busy. You want a video that gets to the point. So you want fast delivery of videos, and that has to come with a good server that can host stuff and get it up and going. Next, we have player customization. Isn't it cool that you can actually customize the player? And if you don't know what I mean by that, like you see a logo here, you see this, a play button, It looks nice.
Yeah.
And you can
It
try
looks
different ways.
professional.
Yeah,
It
it
looks
looks
professional, and it looks yours. Like it looks that you are not using any third-party service to put the video there, and they will get distracted. So you have 100% control on that video. So
yes,
that's something really important to consider.
it is. Especially if you put a YouTube video, as we said before, they can click on, look at your YouTube channel, and then they won't even know what you're doing. And then we want something that has 0 bounce rate. What does bounce rate mean? It simply means you come on and then you leave. That's traffic bouncing. You can think of that like bouncing a ball if you're not
Yeah.
familiar with that. If you want your videos to be your videos, you don't want people putting ads on them. You don't want YouTube putting ads, or Pepsi putting ads, or somebody random putting ads, to sell their course. If you want something that is yours, no bounce rate, no going other places, then you need a good platform for that. You don't want people going on your videos and then somebody else trying to sell them. That's not fair to you. Then you want to be able to place ads. Remember the statistic we talked about that, ad spend is huge on videos. You want to be able to place advertisements on your video, create different banners and stuff, which we'll get into. And DotcomPal will show you the different ways to do that. You want to be able to create your own video channel, showcase all your videos in an awesome way with full control. You want privacy. Maybe you want to make it password protected. You have a membership site or something like that. Or you just want certain people, maybe you're selling stuff on an affiliate platform, and you just want people to who paid to be able to see the videos. You can embed the videos anywhere. That's a huge thing, because if you have a WordPress website, let me know in the chat. And Facebook and YouTube, do you have a website? You can embed them anywhere, any platform you want, social media, website, blog, store, wherever you're at. You can embed those. That's important too. That'll help drive traffic. And then another big thing is you want to know analytics, right? When you put up a YouTube video, Abby, or when you put up your videos on DotcomPal or anywhere, you want to see how it's doing, right? You want to see the views. You want to see how many people are playing it, how long they're playing it, the conversions,
Yes.
where they're coming from.
Yeah.
Why, where are they coming
Yeah, because if you are trying to make money with it, you need to know what it's doing, like where are people coming from. You need to know like their location, their technology, their engagement, conversions, place views, so you can know how good you are doing it. If you don't have data, you never will know if you are doing it good or you are doing it wrong. So it is important to have analytics of videos for that.
Analytics, and the big one, the one that you probably all are familiar with, is SEO. You want to be able to SEO rank them so that your videos get a higher search rank and index, because another big part of brand quality, speed, and content is people have to be able to find it. Now, with SEO, I will show that part and explain a little bit about that. The nice thing is, how would you like to be able to do everything I said from one platform? Because you might say, Kareem, that sounds good, but how do I do all that? Is that possible to do on my just YouTube channel or this or where, or how could I do that? So let's get into how DotcomPal does it and how DotcomPal's video system works. This is the best solution to get your videos up, get them converting, get them going just like this guy's doing, and basically getting everything ready. So is everybody ready on YouTube, on Facebook, in the chat? All right, let's get into the one, the only DotcomPal, where you can build, grow, sell, and manage all from one place. So today we are going to go to the grow section. Also, I want to mention before you get started here, this is the dashboard. If you have not, be sure to go to dotcompal.com and get a free account. It's free. It has everything you need in one place. Why leave money? Why leave time on the table trying to connect multiple apps? You can do something for yourself, your friends, your family, and your business. And you also want to make sure to set up multiple businesses or a business to get started with this particular part, and potentially, if you'd like, get some other things set up like hooking up your website and other things like that. So once you have a business at least set up, be sure to log into your dashboard and go to grow here on the left. It's going to illuminate in white. And then we're going to see videos here on the left hand side. Go ahead and click on that. Here we can see all of the videos that we've uploaded. We can see, you know, the manage if we want to change stuff, the view analytics, we can preview them, we can see the engagement rate on here. And there's also a helpful video here at the view video channel. Today we're going to go ahead and click new video. Now there's two things you can do. If you are familiar with my drive, that's the drive solution for DotcomPal. As I said, when I say build, grow, and sell, manage in one place, I really mean one place. You can upload videos from my drive, which is a place where you can put storage for videos, files, images, text images, whatever it is. But you can also upload from your computer locally. So I'm going to click upload video from my PC. I have a lot of different videos here. I'm going to click on my sample video and it's going to upload. One thing I do want to mention here is based on the size of your video, it will take different times and speeds to upload. You have a bigger video, it's going to take longer to upload. So don't be worried if it takes a little bit of time. It's just contingent on the size. So then we're going to go ahead and hit next. Now here is a place where you can customize your video. You can even get to top of search engines. How do we do that? Well, we can create a title. So I call this test video. And then I can also do more. I can call it test video. And just make a quick description. Demo for DotcomPal with my good friend Abby. See, I gave you a shout out. And then you can enter tag. So if you've ever ranked, how many people here have ranked a video on YouTube? You've uploaded it and you've ranked it. People watching on YouTube or Facebook, let me know in the chat. And I do have a question, Abby. Can I get Google traction using, yes, this is live. Can I get Google traction using DotcomPal? Yes, you can. And this is live.
Yeah.
So just think of this. If you've ever done YouTube, if you've ever done anything like uploading a video, this should be simple. Use, in my opinion, the same approach. Put your title in, put your description in, put your tags in, video marketing, boom. DotcomPal video, and then separate them. I separate them with a comma or by hitting the enter key. And then you can choose a category. What are categories like? Think of it in YouTube. You know how YouTube, you can take a look at different categories and see what it's for. Just go through here. If it's a health-oriented video, business, if it's travel, tourism, spirituality, cultural beliefs, whatever your niche is, you want to make this niche specific. For me, this would be internet marketing. Next, let's go to the big one. Remember we talked about brand. You can customize stuff here. How do you do that? Well, you can either select a player, which you can select it from here, or you can create your own by hitting the plus sign. I can name this something. RS. I can select a layout. They have different layouts here that I can see what it was. It looked like Blimes. You know, you can see what Big Max looks like. Tickled Pink. They have some funny names for them. And then what can you do? Big thing. You said, what do you look at, Abby? The logo, right? I believe you said the logo.
Correct.
So you can hit upload. You can hit upload here. Boom. I got tons of stuff I've uploaded in my drive. This is my logo. I put my logo there, and you can even have a link for your logo. Oh, I can put it to my site. So I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and grab my site. copy that over, come back, put my site in there, and then you can do some more customary things with the player color. If you want to change the color, you can change that. You can actually even change the text color if you'd like. Make it look cool, whatever the cool thing is. I think that looks cool, the blue and the red. I think that looks cool, Abby.
There's a lot of things you can do there. You have control over anything.
Yeah.
You can edit the play button, the video title, play bar, control button, so logo,
Yes.
the volume controls. You can do anything. For example, and you show in the sales page, you see the sales video. When you hover over it, you see that there is not option to go to the sales page. To the sales page you showed before, the CDA sales page.
Yes, sir.
Well, there you can hover it and you can see that there is not the, how do you say, the way or the icon to see it full wide, to see the full screen.
Mhm.
You know why? Because people get distracted. They need to see all the elements in the sales page, especially in that section. So if you disabled the full screen in that page, in that video, it means you want that the viewer can see all the elements in the sales page. But if you go down the sales page, you can see the demo video. And that demo video, if you hover over it, you will see that it has the way to see the video in full screen because it's a demo video. People want to see it closely and they want to see everything, how everything looks. So this is especially for software applications. So that's how you can control. You can control when you want the video to be wide 100% or you don't want to be wide, just only small, because you want people to convert with watching the video in that size. So that's how important it is to have 100% control of your video.
Yes, sir. Yeah, and that's, in my opinion, the biggest thing that people want. That's why people, the issue is, even though YouTube has tons of videos, tons of views, you can't control your videos there. They never let you customize a player. They never let you do all of this stuff here. Yeah, they'll let you put tags and descriptions and stuff like we've seen, but we won't let you do other stuff like that. And literally, you can change anything. You can make this.
And also, there is something also I want to share is about the channel part. Well, I don't know if that is going to show about the channel part, but if you have a channel, but here with DotcomPal, you can create a channel. The same with YouTube, right? But if you have a channel on YouTube, you will see ads everywhere too, and all the videos too. Not only your videos, you will see a lot of other things too. But if you create a channel, a video channel inside DotcomPal, all will be yours. Like everything, you have control over all the videos in there, over the logos, and also you can put. Tell me if you can put a pop-up or something like that inside YouTube.
No.
If you go to a YouTube channel, you can put a pop-up. If you go to a DotcomPal channel, you can put anything you want. A pop-up showing something, an advertising, or another video, or an opt-in form, or a promo. You have that inside a DotcomPal channel.
Yeah. So, and that's a really, really good point, Abby. And I will show the channel at the end here. But yeah, let's just take this out. Like, oh, I can make the play bar disappear and reappear. I can make the
yeah, that's right. That's something also helps people to be focused in the video.
Yeah.
And also, if you have the option to pause, it has then let people go something else, and then if you don't have the option to pause, people will stick there because they would like to see the whole video without pausing it.
Yeah. Yep. And the nice thing is you can go through here, and if you find an element distracting or cumbersome, I guess would be the word, you can eliminate it. And not only that, you can see how you want it to start. This Zilliot has an auto start functionality, and you can do auto play, which means they pop on the page, you don't gotta click, it just boom, it starts. They can have it display a thumbnail. If you're familiar with YouTube, you see thumbnails. You can have it loop, keep going, or you can have it stop and frame. So there's different ways to do that, but that's not all. Sounding like salesman Billy Mays. You can do frames. You can do thumbnails. You can do subtitles. You can basically make this your own thing. And the nice thing about this is there's no end to the customization that you can do. Just let me go ahead and hit refresh here. I think my screen froze. So yeah, just play with it. Click around, see what you like. Upload a logo. Try the different things. Play with the colors. Make it your own player. Big thing is make it your own player. And then
the cool thing is you don't have to get into code to do that.
No, you don't have to code.
Getting this into coding, it will make you really, really crazy.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that's the big thing too. Yeah. If you had to go in here and put in HTML and JavaScript, I don't think you'd have a very fun time. But you can upload your thumbnail here and you can put in subtitles as well by pasting it in. But yeah, none of this stuff that I show, not just the video, I don't show any coding really, unless you want to count adding something to the header of your website as coding. There's no coding in DotcomPal to get everything running, which is great. So you don't have to be a developer to run an awesome business. Next thing I want to talk about is the advertisements. As you said, Abby, YouTube, Wistia, Vimeo, Dailymotion. If you said, hey, could I put ads on my video? Like, no, they say they'd be no. Let's say, hey, Pepsi is giving us whatever amount of money. I'm putting this up. Okay, cool. So what kind of ads can you put up here? You can put pop-ups, and you can select them from the industry, you know, SAS. You can get different types
templates.
Templates for pop-ups if you'd like. You can do video apps, and you can put a link to, say, a website. You can allow skip and give it a duration. You know how you watching your favorite YouTube video and then the ad pops up. You can have a skip duration there for how long it's going to be. You can put HTML, so HTML page. You can do an image. You can just do an image, just upload it, just like you would from your Mac, your Mac's drive. So I can grab.
As we talk in the beginning, we talk about the four most important things.
Yeah.
But if you want to dominate video marketing, you will need all these things you are talking about right now. Because the four things we talk is just the four most important thing. But here with this, we are talking about a video marketing platform. Like practically, it's a video marketing platform where you can succeed a lot more. And this is beyond the four things we talk already. So this is way more, and that's the beauty of DotcomPal. You can have everything here to succeed with video marketing.
Yeah, we don't just do the bare minimum. We go above and beyond and then some. Because it is, as I say, a platform to build, grow, and sell and manage all in one place. Let's say for whatever reason, I just didn't like this video. Maybe, you know, I had a weird haircut. I didn't, you know, that day. I didn't shave. I don't think that's ever going to happen. You know, I'm kind of like a beard here. You know, how many people in the video maybe had a bad hair day one day, had a bad tooth day, bad whatever day. You're just sleepy maybe. How many people have recorded a video sleepy and let me know in the chat and they say, man, I need to replace this video. My client's not going to like this. I'm looking kind of weird. Or I
and also maybe you can notice something was updated, or there is a page that is not live anymore in a video you created, and you have all that already set up. You have all the channel and everything is set up and everything is good, and you have to upload again a new video and you have to customize it again and you have to do SEO again and all that. Mm-hmm. It is easy and fast, but it is easier to replace the video.
Yes, it is easier to just click, replace the video. In my opinion, yeah, if you have a dead link or something, why not just replace the video? And again, you can do that from your local computer, like so. Or if you'd like to, if it's on your Mac's drive, which is here, if you click on these dots, you can go to My Drive and upload from My Drive. And that's replacing video. Simple but powerful, very powerful. Next, we can have SEO. Remember we talked about SEO, right? you can enter a meta title here, video test.com.pal. You can enter a meta description, video test.com.pal with
this is how DotcomPal can get Google track. Google.
Yes.
That's the question someone asked, right? Because if you are able to SEO a page, it means it has the potential to rank in search engines because you have the ability to do this meta title, meta description, meta keywords, and you don't have to get into the code to do that. You just need to use this place and you SEO your video because when you upload a video, you are creating a page for that video.
Yes, sir.
And you can share that after we are done here. So you can share there is a page for that video, and also there is a channel you can. Well, it's the same like YouTube. When you watch a video, there is a page for that video,
Exactly.
and also when you watch a channel, well, is where you can see all the videos. But here we are building a page for this video.
Okay. And yeah, this is the SEO. This is how it gets traction on Google and specifically search engines so people can find it. Next big thing, what do we talk about? We want analytics. How do you get the analytics? You can put in your Google Analytics tracking code. You can put in the third-party tracking code. You can put in the remarketing pixel script if you're working on Facebook. And as we talked about with security, you can make it private. So or you can make it public.
Mm-hmm.
Or password protected. Say it was part of your selling stuff on JVC, Warrior Plus, Avant-Garde, ClickBank, whatever it is, and you really want to pass, or you just want only specific people to see it, you can make it password protected as well for security.
I have a few questions for you. You know more YouTube than me, right? Can you password protect a page inside YouTube?
You cannot. Not really. You
Can
could.
you can you replace a video in YouTube?
No.
Okay.
No, but yeah, you cannot do any of that stuff. And here's the big thing that you really can't do with all of this stuff in YouTube. To do all this customization, the only thing you really have is it's either public or
Unlisted.
unlisted.
Unlisted is same like private.
Yeah, that's it. You have two options. But YouTube is not going to let you put advertisements. YouTube is not going to let you.
You have to pay for it. You have to pay to place ad in your videos.
Yeah. So why do that when you can do this for free? Go ahead and hit save and activate. If you're excited, you want to get your video up there. Just before I get to the video channel, two things to mention. There are a couple ways of doing this. You can embed this on a page. As we said, we talked about embedding is important. You can copy this and put it on your WordPress, your blog, media, whatever else you'd like. Or you can just grab the video URL and it's conveniently here. You can share on social media. If you've not set up your social media, go to best practices or go to getting started, and see how to set that up on your business. And you can either copy this link, paste it around, or edit it. If you want to see your video, you can click on grow again, click on videos, and the video we just put up is public. And this is kind of cool. You can see all the different videos here. You can also go back to click on manage, view analytics, and preview, and then you can get your embed code here. You can also view the video page here, which is pretty cool. And that is the gist of how you get a video up, all the different things you can do with DotcomPal, and really how you can customize it, get it SEO ready, get it looking really nice, and make it your own video. Remember the big four brain: content, quality, and speed. But not only that, we allow it to customize it so you can brand it, so you can get the speed because it's hosted on CDN. It's really fast. And the best part about this is it's going to be your video. It's not going to be YouTube's video. It's not going to be Wistia's video. It's not going to be Daily Motion's video. This is your video. You're making money on it. You're deciding what your advertisements are. You're deciding everything about this. And the nice thing is you can even track the analytics and know everything that's going on and adjust the SEO. And you can click on view video channel and actually take a look at the videos here. They do have to be public, and you can see your video channel here as well for DotcomPal. So everyone, that is a quick demonstration. Does anybody have any questions? I'll get to the questions, and also Abhi would like to, I believe, talk about, you said something else?
Yeah, I wanted to share that when you are trying to look for a video hosting website, I think .com.pal will be your best choice, because here you have 100% control over the brand, and also you can rely on a fast loading server. You can also make sure that the video is of high quality, and there is no reason to look for a way to lower the definition of your video, because you are using a low fast loading website. Some people use their hosting service provider to put a video, and that is not a good idea either. You need to rely on a fast loading server. And also those shared hosting places is not a good idea to use them to place live videos inside your pages. And also all these tools you have shown, these tools are the best marketing tools, because you have control in everything that happens, not only in your video, but and also in the whole page of your video. You have control on that too, not only inside the video but also outside the video, and that's something really amazing. And the last thing I wanted to share is you don't have to touch any code for doing this. Everything has been coded. A lot of people have spent a great deal of time and money, so you can do only a few clicks to achieve this.
Okay, someone asked about the embed code, so let me just go ahead and share my screen. It's pretty easy actually to pull up embed code. You just want to go over here to grow videos, and then you can click the three dots here, click get embed code, and just grab the embed code, copy it. So hopefully that answered the question if I understood it correctly. Do we have any more questions?
Somebody is telling about, I don't want my video showing with all the other videos I created. Why is it so difficult to just pull the video only embed code?
I think we answered that. But
Yeah, it is about just taking the code, and also I'm sure inside you are able to do that, to see if you want to show all the videos or not want to show all the videos. Just like YouTube, when you see a video inside YouTube and you finish watching the video, there are other related videos that are shown. So I'm very sure inside you are able to control that inside .com. So there is no other video to show there, or maybe you decide which videos you want to show at the end.
yes. Well, all right, guys. So thank you for your questions. Thank you for the comment. Lots of great information. That's why we're here, to provide that. So guys, really quick, before we go, one thing I want to urge you to do. So how many people here, let me know in the chat if you have DotcomPal. Now, I'm going to assume some people may have DotcomPal. Some people may have it for free. One thing I'm going to urge you to do, if you have not done so already, you can double your commissions by going pro. This is the time to go pro. We have a founder special lifetime deal. You can get it $15 a month with unlimited visits, contacts, websites, landing pages, team members. You can get advanced business website, membership sites, and a few pretty awesome things here for the quick start bonuses. If you have not got a DotcomPal account, you can get one for free. But don't just get a free DotcomPal account. Go through the getting started modules, get set up, and use it to build, grow, sell, manage, just like we're showing you here, so you can make your business, your product, your service, your idea succeed. You can find this page at DotcomPal/pricing. This is the time to either get free, test everything out, or to go pro and get part of our founders special lifetime deal. Thank you.
There's something cool about the going pro is that you get 50% commission if you decide to promote DotcomPal as an affiliate. That is a higher payment for this industry for a high ticket affiliate offer as it is DotcomPal. DotcomPal is considered to be something long term. It is something to stay, and also we are investing a lot of time, a lot of money into this because we are building something huge, something that can last a lot, and also so that's why promoting this type of products, it can build a long-term business for you too, and also giving you the best percentage of the industry can make you a lot of more money. And something also awesome about this is that you can start 100% free.
Yes.
It is not a trial, a free trial that lasts 7 days or 14 days. No, you can start using DotcomPal, and you can get access to a lot of the awesome tools you have seen, and also for free, forever. If you want to grow, then you need to pay the plans that you find there. But there is not like a platform that has so many tools in one place, and also you can use them 100% free.
Yes.
So there is a lot of things we can tell you, but today we are only focusing on video.
All right, and I'll take one more question. Zahid Azidi, if I'm saying that correct, asks, when are affiliate tools and resources going to be added to the dashboard to promote? I have good news for you. If you get an Avantgarde account, or Avangate account, sorry, you can do that now. If you'll go log into your dashboard, you'll see affiliate home here.
Yeah, you can go there, and there you will find a lot of things. You can even find the affiliate poll theme for that.
You'll find Avantgate. Sorry, I said Avantgarde. I don't know why I said that. And you'll also, we have ClickBank coming soon as well. So depending on what you want to do, you can do Avantgate or ClickBank. Avantgate will take a couple of days to get set up. If you want to see how that's done, I recommend actually making a folder with your affiliate links. That's just a personal thing. You can log into Avantgate control panel. It's going to take a second to load here, so just bear with me. Depending on my internet, how this loads.
While it loads, you can show there in the dashboard, in the DotcomPal affiliate home. There you can show the tools.
Yes.
The affiliate tools, and there are still there are many things that are under development, and they will be uploading very soon in there. But there are already tools in there. You see in the top left, affiliate tools. There you will find some information there. You can find a free report you can use to advertise. You can also use the affiliate poll theme to advertise DotcomPal. So there are many things you can find there already, and there are other things that will come very shortly, because we are working on that content. We are working on reviews, we are working on comparisons, we are working on case studies, and all that will be in that place.
Okay.
And
so
also there is I think there is the how do you say, the training bootcamp. Yeah, it's coming soon there, but we already recorded that, so
it is, yes.
it will be there anytime soon.
You can find that, but just real quick, just to show you how to do it. It did take me a while to log in. Might have been my internet. Apologize for the latency on that. Once you log in, you want to click on the affiliate programs on the left-hand side. Click on Find Partners /Programs. Go to Find Partners, type in DotcomPal, hit search. And then you will find DotcomPal. And you want to click Get Links, and that's how you get your affiliate link. You can choose the different types of checkout you want to do, order template, and I go ahead and hit Generate Link. I can go to this link now. It's going to take a second here, depending on Avantgate servers, and then I can see how it looks. And then you can see the commission percent, the month, the product website, and you'll also know here by seeing the product box image. So that's a really, really quick way to do that. Thank you, great webinar. I appreciate that. Sign up with Avangate, but there are only 3 types of links to promote, but no resources to create content. here's what I would say, Zahid. Let me know.
You
Try
can show
doing.
them the affiliate home. Show them the affiliate home.
Yeah.
I just shared that in the time in the text. That is the affiliate home URL. You need to log in, and there you will find the tools, and they will be uploading it what they are ready. Once they are ready, they keep uploading content in there for affiliate promotion.
Yes. So I'm on the
Yeah,
affiliate
there.
now. And so I'm just going to go back one. This is the affiliate home. So go take a look at the affiliate home. Avenatti really helped me out, shared this as well. So go ahead and click on that link, Zahid, and go through everything here. Once you get that set up, go to affiliate tools. And I do have still waiting on Avantgate approval. Don't get discouraged. I was waiting for a while. They even sent me an email asking about a redirect on my site. They really want to make sure, unlike other affiliate programs, that you're not just going to spam and do stuff. So I do understand it is tough. It takes a while, but just work with them. It's going to take some time. So with that being said, I want to thank very much my awesome co-host, Avenatti Suarez, for all
So
the
it was a pleasure working again today.
Really enjoyed everybody in the chat, people on Facebook, YouTube, watching. Thank you so much for being here. We are here to help you get awesome content for DotcomPal. I'm Kareem with Team DotcomPal, your all-in-one solution to build, grow, and sell in one place. Take care, everyone.
See you later.